Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raditya Lesmana from class 15 to A01, majoring in informatics.
And me, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizky Saputra from class 15 to A01 and majoring in informatics. We will conduct a dialogue on the topic of discussing cryptograph. How is the video? Let's see.
A few moments later.
Hello Radit,
Hello Rizky.
do you understand how cryptograph work in blockchain?
Not bad. In blockchain, cryptography is used to secure transactions and ensure that user identities remain anonymous but can still be verified.
What do you mean? Can be anonymous, but still.
So it's like this: every transaction is signed using a private key, but the transaction can be verified using a public key. This is called public key cryptography.
Oh, so it's a kind of personal secret code that can be verified by the system.
Exactly. And all transactions are recorded in interconnected blocks, and all blocks are encrypted too. That's why it's really hard to hack or change.
No wonder blockchain technology is the safest, huh?
And do you know which altcoins are already using blockchain?
Well, of course, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. In addition, countries like Chinese, England, Singapore, India, German have already used cryptograph-based security system.
Do you know anything else about cryptography?
Yeah, of course. By the way, do you know about airdrop?
Not yet. What is an airdrop actually?
Airdrop is like a free token distribution from a crypto project, usually given to users as a reward for joining a testnet, signing up for a newsletter, or helping with promotion.
Oh, I see. But why do they just give out free tokens like that?
The goal is for the community to grow, so more people know and use their project. Sometimes also to test the network before the official release.
Wow, do you know a lot, huh? What you told me is very useful. Thank you, Rizky.
Yes, you are welcome, Radit. Happy to share knowledge with you.
Rizky, come here. I want to ask about the market trend on this chart.
Okay, please ask.
Judging from the last 30 minutes, the Bitcoin price market is seen to be declining. Can you explain the right time for me to buy Bitcoin?
Of course, if you want to buy Bitcoin, make sure when the price is declining, or you can also buy when a media is reporting bad news. Because when there is bad news, the Bitcoin price will decline. Especially if there is news of war on an economic crisis, usually the decline can be very deep.
Do you have a recommendation for a safe and cheap exchange to store my crypto asset?
Keep in mind, here I am not promoting an exchange, but I recommended using a foreign exchange because foreign exchanges have tight security and do not have very high taxes like local exchange.
Wow, thank you very much for your suggestion for me to try later.
You're welcome, Aladin.